Well, we are officially in the summer season, but for those of you who do not enjoy the excessive heat and the yard maintenance that comes along with owning a detached home, I've got a great option to show you today. Situated in Brantford's north end, only a stone's throw away from the Highway 403 and within walking distance to all amenities, is this one-bedroom condo, which is in an exceptionally well-maintained building. This particular unit would be perfect for the first-time buyer, a heavy traveler, or for anyone looking for no-maintenance living. This building definitely has to be seen to be appreciated.